This woven stitch is made up of diagonal stitches and it spans over two canvas intersections. Begin by working from left to right. Start counting from the top 1, 2, 3. The stitches are placed at an angle from lower left to upper right in the canvas. So we have started from lower left and take a diagonal stitch towards the upper right over two intersections of the canvas. For the second stitch, come straightly down and then start a next diagonal stitch. Now we have completed one horizontal row. For the next row, drop down one canvas thread and turn the direction of the stitch from right to left. Start from here. We have come down one canvas thread down and start from here. So take a diagonal stitch from lower right towards upper left over two canvas thread intersections. It gives a woven effect. So we have completed the second row. Again come down one horizontal thread down and you have to start from the left. One, two, three. 3 holes but 2 canvas intersections. This stitch can be used for doing baskets, flowers and any small areas that we want to add texture. It is also a great stitch that covers the canvas quickly. Pattern for this stitch is available at the end of the video. Do subscribe my channel for more such stitch tutorials and designs. Thank you.